Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niputu Ayumi Rahmariati from Universitas Mangsa Rasoti Denpasar, Indonesia. On this occasion on this occasion in the International Graduate Education Multidisciplinary Research Colloquium IGRGM 2025. Will present the paper title is the financial performance of the banking companies on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Introduction. The Indonesia economic has experienced up and down from year to year, and then the company financial can be measured. The company financial performance can be measured by the return on the asset ratio. ROR is the ratio between the net profit balance after tax and the total asset of the company. It is a presentation explore the financial performance of the banking company listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange IDX from 2019 to until 2022. The first indicator that affect company financial performance is the institutional ownership according. Ownership by institution like bank, investment firms that can strengthen management oversight action in the company goals, and then managerial ownership. Research indicate managerial ownership positively affect our financial performance. Uh, owned by ownership by management aligns the interest with the shareholder performing objective financial reporting and the company monitoring. The first indicator is institutional ownership, and the second indicator is the managerial ownership, and then the third indicator is the financial dependent board of the commissioner. Uh, this definition, independent commissioner have to know the types of to management over the controlling shareholder and screens and bias oversight. Governance, in fact, is the role the independent board, the two commissioner that is corporate government by supervising management informing company performance standard. This means that the better the managerial ownership, the better the company financial performance. And then this independent commissioner, the better the company financial performance will be. The in addition, the company financial performance is the also influence of the board, the director responsible for the operational management and the strategy decision. There the effectiveness for improves company financial account, and then the fifth indicator is the effect company financial is the size the company size. The larger companies have the better access to capital market, investor attention, leading to improvement of financial performance. Okay, based on the introduction, description about the research is the interested in this research is the effect institutional ownership, managerial ownership, independent board of the commissioner, board of director, and company size on the financial performance of banking companies on the Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2019 until 2022 period. Okay, next, the research methodology. In the research focus, the relationship in the financial performance. The population in the research will be all banking company listed on the IDX Indonesia Stock Exchange in the 2019 until 2022, totaling 49 company exchange in the banking sector on the IDX. The data is the study in the research were obtained by sampling based on the predetermined criteria in the pervasive sampling with the sample size of the 35 companies meeting the specific criteria. The data in the research obtained by sample and then sample based on the determined criteria. Annual financial report, the sample banking the company. Okay, this research based on the research conducted and manufacturing company stock IDX period 2019 until 2022 in the positive influence is the independent board of the commissioner, board of director, and the company size positively affect in financial performance. Non-significant factor is institutional ownership and the managerial ownership. So is no significant effect on the performance during to the study period. Okay, independent commissioner exchange internal control its management performance boosts the company value. On the better, the large company can be the provide a better information for investment purpose because the large company is the company size. The large company will be more the notice by the public, so that manager are the more will be company financial performance. Company size is a positive effect is a financial performance. This means Manuel, international ownership and managerial ownership do not affect the financial performance of the banking company listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the various studies. This is positive effect a independent board, commissioner board, the director, company size, and then not significant effect is international ownership and managerial ownership. Conclusion, this research aims to determine the effect of the institutional ownership, managerial ownership, independent board of commissioner, board of director, and company shares on the financial performance in the banking companies on the Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2019 until 2022 period. Based on the result of the data analysis, the following research can be transition international ownership atau KI, managerial ownership KM, do not affect is the financial performance in the banking. And then company independent board of the commissioner, board board of director, so you can company size have the positive effect of the financial performance. And then practical value, jadi practical value, the analysis of the financial performance of the banking component on the listen IDX hold the significant practical for the multiple stakeholder. And then the research also provides feedback on the effect of the accepting regulation policy of the informed future regulator and adjustment of, of the action sector resilience from academic and the research perspective. The research increase the accepting literature of by offering empirical data and analysis respect to IDX, and then lastly, the broader public and national economic benefit from the stable and efficient banking sector. Direction for the future research future research is the other to able research in the study is more depth the other factor. This research only the use research location in the bank company IDX to period. Suggestion for the future research is the expected to extend the research period and the research sample and diversify three criteria there or criteria. Just the research allocation, namely different types of the company, and the variable indicator reference relate to so that the research model is the varied. And the variable of the board director company set independent commissioner because his event is the period is 2019 until 2022. This is a reference site. And then thank you for listening my presentation in the conference. Thank you everyone.